But look at that. Look at the colors. Coffee table, candle, flowers. My friends, ooh la la. These are beautiful chairs. Ladies and gentlemen, it is an absolutely fantastic day. The reason why is because we have Purple Leaf's dining armchair. These are outdoor, made for outdoor use. You can put them inside if you want. Your California type patio. We do have a storm coming, so I'm looking forward to testing these out as well. I am actually underneath, if you have not seen that video already, I'm actually underneath the Purple Leaf 10 by 13 gazebo, and right behind us is the barbecue 6 by 8 gazebo by Purple Leaf, and these are going to be absolutely incredible to match this area right here. I will show you the chairs I'm using right now, and there's pretty much no cushions. They're a little bit modern looking, but these are so much better, especially for the elements here where I live in Colorado. Snow, rain, wind, you name it. So this box right here has 2 chairs, and just like all my videos, top link, as we just heard some thunder, so storm is coming. That's why I'm using this microphone. But before we do get started, top link in the description box right below the video is going to be these exact same Purple Leaf dining armchairs, where you guys can read more about them and pick them up yourself. They have a lot of different colors and styles, so look at that link. I will also link the Purple Leaf gazebos as well as their umbrellas. If you are familiar with my channel, their products are absolutely fantastic, and I expect big things from this. So let's get this out. Let's put these chairs together, and let me show you the chairs I'm working with right now. Alrighty, just like all Purple Leaf products, very well packaged. Forgive the wind. I'll switch back over to the other microphone in just a second here. Let's get them out. All right, first impressions. These things are beautiful. A little bit of assembly. A compact driver will be your friend for quickness. Okay, beautiful. Very minimal time to get these things up and running. So let's go ahead and take a look at the legs. Now, the directions do state this, but what you want to do is you want to angle your bolts this direction. These are your back legs here, and that's positioned just like this here. So then your front legs are like this here. Absolutely incredible. So your front legs actually have adjustable little pivots here for floor mounting, so floor leveling, I should say. Your back ones are stationary, but both your front ones are adjustable for your different levels of floor, which is absolutely beautiful. So just again, first impressions, absolutely incredible. Purple Leaf logo on the back, beautiful. My friends, ooh la la, these are beautiful chairs. Now, obviously we are inside right now. It is because it's very windy outside now, and I want to show you the colors, and of course we're going to get some more outside shots, but just need to come in for right now to film this portion of the video. Now everything, all the dimensions are in the listing again, once again in the description box below, but top to bottom you're looking at 29 inches, almost 21 inches from the front to the back, and 19.69 inches side to side right here. Now if you're like myself, I need lumbar support, and so you have the pillow right here for lumbar support. We're going to again be testing this out. Don't you worry about that. But obviously it is a 2-piece cushion system. The fabric is beautiful, and it's kind of like almost like a off beige, kind of a cream. It's really, really nice. It's not pure white, so definitely nice, and it is zippered, so you can wash this as well. As well with the bottom cushion, perfectly contoured to the chair. And there is your zipper, Purple Leaf logo right there, your zipper on the back where you can take that off and wash it. Let's remove those for just a splitsy, and let's take a look at the construction here. So it's olefin rope in dark gray color, and it's absolutely stunning. So again, it's a darker color, but it's not too dark. It's absolutely beautiful. Again, olefin rope, and it's wrapped beautifully around the armrests. And then this is nice, it's beautiful. And then this is aluminum construction here. This is the teak color, and the cushions are PE wicker material. Now this chair can handle 350 pounds. Beautiful trimmed square edge right here, beautiful teak, and again the front can raise up or lower down. It is absolutely incredible. Let's get you a closer look of the teak. Just a beautiful kind of a wood grain pattern to it, but again that is aluminum. And then the color is absolutely incredible. It really is. So the back legs, as you can see, kind of go back in the tilts. The front ones go straight down there. Coming around to the back of the chair, nice rounded edge to it. Beautiful rope right here as we can see. But this would be perfect for my bedroom, even having one chair or like an entryway, just because of the size of these chairs. This is this big old chair that I've had in my room, and it just takes up a lot of room. But like one of these, I could just shove it in the corner next to my olive tree right here. It would be absolutely incredibly beautiful, indoor or outdoor. I'm not going to put limitations on it. And another name that it actually goes by is PE rattan rope, and that is hand woven for these chairs. So obviously, if you don't need the lumbar support and you'd rather just have the chair like this, sure, why not? But again, I just sat down in it and I do like the lumbar support. Now, first initial impressions, it is comfortable. It's on the upper, medium, low, firm side for the cushion, and that will break in a little bit. And it does have about a 3-second rebound on that. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, my handprint right there, and that will break in a little bit more. But the lumbar support pillow, that is nice and plush. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful colors. So let's wait till the storm passes over. I will be putting these chairs outside, even in the rain. It's underneath the gazebo, but they'll still probably get a little bit wet, but great for testing purposes. The material is all weather. All right, storm's coming, but I do want to show you my old chairs. Again, modern looking, but definitely not functional and comfortable. Now let's go ahead and, oh goodness gracious, look at those flowers. And then, oh, panning this way. And oh yeah, how beautiful is that? Now I just need a couple more for this side right here to finish off the beautiful motif here. But look at that. Look at the colors. Coffee table, candle, flowers, gazebo right here. Beautiful. B-E-A, beautiful. Okay, a little bit of calm before the storm, but let me get you some outdoor lighting on these. It is sprinkling already, but I'm not concerned about that. With the beautiful flowers looking absolutely incredible with that teak and dark gray, with the coffee table I have out here, with the carpet. Now I'm kind of definitely iffy about these ones over here. It doesn't go with the motif. I need a couple more chairs. Summertime, flowers. Look at how much better these chairs look than those ones right there. And the back of them here looking absolutely stunning. Those would look beautiful. Again, they have full sets, large sets, 6-piece sets, 6 chairs and an outdoor table. Again, these are indoor outdoor use, so don't just think outdoor. You can put these inside if you want to as well. With the pillows, now I just need to get my hands on a purple leaf outdoor table dining complete set. There's your color right there. There's your beautiful color as you can see it with the sun coming through the clouds. Again, a little calm before the storm because that storm is coming. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I love them already, and we'll test them out after the weather. Okay, my front yard isn't as dialed in, so please forgive. I do know that you are curious about how they look up against a table with an umbrella in the middle. This is your typical patio table size, and it's absolutely beautiful. Working outside of my laptop right now underneath the umbrella, and so again, isn't as dialed in as underneath my gazebo, but beautiful chairs right here showing you the level at the table, as well as this one right here. Being able to eat, work on the laptop as I was just doing, and I'm going to do that just now, finishing up the edit of this video. Ladies and gentlemen, what no better way to close down the day than sitting in these beautiful chairs right here. My back is up against the pillow, feels good. Again, a medium firmness to the cushion, but again, that will break in a little bit more. Actually, I want to say more upper on the medium side. So, and with that kind of takes your bottom and kind of, sinks it in, and then it just springs back up, after about a few seconds there, and like we saw. I do like the shape of it here. With a pillow on my back, I'm able to lounge like this, or if you were at, a dinner table, I'm able to sit up. I have good back support right now with the pillow like this, but you know what? It's evening time, and I like to lounge a little bit. It's a beautiful shape. It's a beautiful look to it, and for those of you that are concerned about high winds, we had gusts, what was it, 2 days ago or 1 day ago? 35 mile an hour gusts, and not even one pillow was put down, and that's it. It came through. I don't know what direction the wind came, but the cushions never flew off or anything like that. It was absolutely fantastic. The chairs never took a tip, and that's definitely a plus in my book. book. As well, just to be fully honest, Bird did put a little bit of bird poop on the chair right over here. I took the hose this morning, washed off really nicely, and that was on the rope material as well. Again, it wasn't like a big splat, but it was there, and I was like, oh, I don't want that there, so I washed it off. Came right out. The look and color with the teak on the dark gray, not only looking, but functioning excellently, transforming this space with these flowers. What you want to do is you want to create spaces that are inviting, that you want to go to these spaces. So whether it's your garden, whether it's your front area, having your morning coffee, you want spaces that feel good, that look beautiful, that are inviting, so you want to continue to go to them and continue to spend time in those areas. And with furniture like this, not to mention beautiful flowers and planter boxes, decorate your space to make it inviting and warm and beautiful. And these chairs by Purple Leaf definitely finish it off. But like we have already seen, I do need to get a couple more for the back chairs right over here. Not to mention Purple Leaf gazebo over my head right now is definitely a plus in my book as well. Well, my friends, these are a big thumbs up in my book. I'm very, very happy with the product. And like I already said, I do need to get my hands on more for even a interior chair for my bedroom. We've already showed that to you in the corner. It looked really good there. Fits with my decorations. So once again, top link in the description box below this video are going to be these exact same chairs by Purple Leaf, where you guys can pick them up. Check out all their different styles and colors. Once again, check out the gazebos Purple Leaf offers and their pergolas. I'm going to try to get my hands on one of their really, really nice pergolas. So stay tuned for that, as well as their full dining set with the included table and the chairs. So it's one and done. Put that in your backyard, front yard, patio area, gazebo, pergola. It would be absolutely beautiful. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as tech reviews, DIY home projects, gardening projects, and more. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I am making a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase the chairs on away. Once again, your top link is in the description box below. Thank you for your time. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. My name's Chris. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.